to me, cook them.
And I feed on it, a hungry rapper like Mr. Tomatoes, dip on it, go binge on it, get a ring on it, tryna pen on it like my life depends on it. You know how we been running, got the whole town bumping on the symphony, turning each and every ear into symphonies. But can nobody buzz it while we sting on it, coming like ooh, ooh. We be way too major on that move. Just another virus on that lose. Coming pandemic on that views. Can nobody hold us on that news? We ain't nothing like the feeble news. Fuck you with the real, you gon' come with the truth, dude. It's so Kalimpong you do, check the revenue. I'm my own endorsement. I ain't enough for now. I'm taking up my portion. I'm built up my performance. Run this shit like Jordan. 23 proportions, so please proceed with caution. It's the only option while we're on this bullshit. We're bouncing. Now while we're on this bullshit. Now while we're on this sub-local, sub-vocal on our own port, we need to know vote for our portal. Full throttle, do it for the land and we stay immortal. Hey, come check the play. This is how we running on this side of the bay. Getting our gan, this from the organic. Ain't nothing frantic, we got it planted. Yo, halka gaon ko flex, town ko flex. Now ko flex your town complex. So Mr. come around the place on the east where the mountains rest. Hey, better check the letters when I say I-N-D-E-P and D-N-T the way. The way on the rise, we're coming like a wave. So facing over days, cause I'm my own endorsement. I ain't enough for now. I'm taking up my portions. I'm built up my performance.